Hi Abapus, my name is Sindhil Kumar Gopalakrishnan. My mail ID is sap@gmail.com. In this video, we are going to cover what is mean by package, what is my request, what is the use of request, what are the types of request, how to find request, how to transport request. So all those things we are going to cover in this video. First, what is mean by package? Package nothing but is like in a folder. It contains group of objects. What is the meaning of objects? Objects is nothing but is in a program. It may be in a forms. So anything developed by ABAP is called objects. Suppose I want to create a package. So we can use 3T codes to create a package. One is SEAT, S package, SE21. So package is very important questions. What is mean by package? Package is nothing but is like in a folder. It is used to identify a group of objects. Okay, it contains group of objects. Okay. Next question. So how to create a package? The T code for creation of package is SE21, SEAT and S package. So I will show the screenshot. SE21. Here package area button. Choose the package area button. Enter the package name. Then you press create button. Okay. Next, what is mean by ERP? ERP is nothing but enterprise resource planning. Enterprise resource planning. What is enterprise? Enterprise is nothing but is a company or organization. Resource means money, machine, material, manpower. That's called resources. Planning means what to do, where to do, how to do, when to do. This is the concept of ERP. So what is mean by SAP? So most of the company they are asking what is mean by SAP. SAP is nothing but SAP is one of the ERP. SAP stands for System, Application and Product in Data Processing. Next, what is the advantage of SAP? Why most of the companies they prefer SAP? SAP is supporting for maximum number of departments like sales and distribution, material management, production planning, like that. It's supporting maximum number of departments. Next, it's supporting multiple language like Chinese, Japanese. So what is SAP R by 3 stands for? R by 3 means R means real time. It's having 3-tier architectures. So it's having 3 layers: presentation layer, application layer, next one is database layer. Presentation is nothing but it's in the front end. Application layer is nothing but it's a buffer. Database is nothing but it's in the back end. Next, what is your system landscape? So in real time, we are having 3 different servers: development server, testing server, next one is production server. That's called your system landscape. Development server, testing server, next one is production server. In real time, we are developing the object in development server. After developing the object, then we'll move the object from development server to testing server using request. Okay. Next, what is request? Request is a container used to transfer object from one server to another server. Very, very important point. Request. Request is a container. Request used to transport object from one server to another server. Next, what are the types of request? We are having 2 types of request. One is workbench request. Next one is customization request. Workbench request is client independent. Customization request is client dependent. This is for technical consultant. That is for functional consultant. Next, how to find the package name for a specific program? I want to find a package name for a specific program. So go to properties. So we can find. Always go to object identities. Also we can find the package name for a specific program. How to find request for a specific program? So why we have to find the request for a specific program? For example, a request contains program. Request is to transport the object from one server to another server. So suppose you want to transport one program, you must know where this program will be. What is the request name for this specific program? Then only you can transport it. Okay. So how to find? It is version management. Always the separate T code is there. SE03 you can use it. Next, what is the hierarchy of request? Request, it contains, normally you are getting request, what will happen? So it will generate a task also. So what is the hierarchy? Request contains task contains objects. So always the request number and task numbers are successive numbers. So here you can see 915 is request number, 916 is the task number. Okay. So request contains task contains object. You can see my program name C underscore PR1 and package name GC underscore P1. So entity will be stored here only. Next, what is the procedure to release the request? So I want to release the program from development server to quality server. First you have to check all the object must be activated, all the program must be activated. Then you release the task. Then you release the request. This is the procedures you want to release the request. Okay. Who will be release the TR? TR means transport request. What is the role? Above consultant only release the request. The basic consultant he take care of to releasing and receiving the request from different servers. So what are the T codes? SC03 to find the request, SC09 to transport the request. So now we'll see some practical in computer. Now I am going to teach you how to create package. The T code for creation package SC21 or SC80. Here I am using SC80. Next, SC80. Here in drop down list you can choose package, then enter the name of the package. Okay, you enter the name start with always Z or Y, then you press enter button. So the package does not exist, you want to create. Yes, I want to create. Here you can enter the description for this package. Next, choose the tick mark. Then here we are having two options. One is own request, next is create request. Here you have to create request for our package. So request number will be generated automatically. Okay, it contains totally 10 characters. The first three characters represent the name of the system. So remaining all numbers. Totally it contains 10. So request number is generated automatically. It will generate implicitly. After that, now I am going to create one program. Right click, create program. Always you can use the T code SC38 also. Here enter the program name PR1. Here uncheck it. C program. Save. Now I enter my package name. Here I save this icon. This is to save. Next, choose my request. Own request. Choose my request. This is my request. Then save it. Next here, write welcome to SAP. You can save, check, activate, exit the program. So you can see the output here. Next, I want to find the request for this program. I want to find the request for this program. So we are having two ways. Utilities, version management. So here double click it. You can find the hierarchy. This is the one way. Otherwise, the separate T code is there. Separate T code. SC03. Here search for object request is there. Choose, enter your program name, choose modifiable, then execute. So we can find this is a task number. I already told you the request number and the task numbers are successive numbers. So 917 is the request number, 91 is the task number. Okay. Next, now I am going to use the T code SC09. Here choose workbench request, modifiable. This is my request, right? Our request. So request 917. 91 is task number. Request contains task contains objects. So now I am going to release. I want to release the request What is the procedures? First, you have check all the program must be activated. Then you release the task. Then you release the request. Suppose I try to release the request directly. I check it here. It throws a warning. Reference task is not yet released. First, you have to release the task. Then you release the request. Before that, you have to confirm whether all the object will be activated. All the object will be activated. Now I want to check it will be ever released or not. Here, choose here. Then you press this icon. You can see here it will be release status. It will be released. Okay. Thank you, ABAP. Suppose you need some more elaborate informations, you kindly approach the below mail ID, otherwise you contact through my LinkedIn ID. Okay. Thank you for all to listening my videos patiently.